about to drop the hammer and dispense some indiscriminate justice.
Strongman Personal Finance. I'm Christopher Bell, certified public accountant, long-term Boglehead investor, and I just lost so much money on Alibaba. Oh, deep breaths. Anyway, welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. So, Baba stock, Alibaba, my favorite company, one of the few individual stocks that I own, which is it's less than 5% of my portfolio, has recently crashed even more. Right now it's down to what, 163.55? I wanted to make a quick video to kind of address something. Now, I've noticed a lot of people have been talking about dumping Chinese stocks, especially these supposedly super intelligent fund managers that just seem to know so much. They're geniuses, they're so successful. Here's what bothers me. If you're a fund manager, like let's say you're Cathie Wood perhaps, and you did your analysis on Chinese stocks, if you're doing an analysis, you should weigh the risks and consider them before you buy. You should factor them in to your discounted cash flow model and your discount rate. Well, I don't think Cathie Wood and these other clowns that have been selling these stocks, I don't think they actually did that. I think what they did was just buy hype, buy the future. And the second that the stock went down, they freaking sold it because they're trash investors that don't know what they're doing. Here's the thing, ladies and gentlemen. If you're going to buy an individual stock and then it goes down and then you sell out of it because you get scared, you didn't do your due diligence, number one. And number two, if you get that freaked out by markets going down or a stock going down, then you should be 100% index funds, okay? On my channel, I say 95 index funds, 5% individual stocks, or whatever you want to do to speculate. But it's ultimately up to you. But if you can't handle a stock going down or getting hammered because of, in my opinion, overblown news, then you shouldn't be buying individual stocks. And this is proof that all these fund managers, all these people that, Cathie Wood, people that are worshipped by the YouTube crowd. If you see or you saw somebody you follow sell their Alibaba stock or their Chinese stocks because of this, they're not really investors. They're not really looking at fundamentals. They're only trading on hype and speculation. Here's why I'm not selling this stock. Look how much I'm down. I'm down $1,186. So I have 22 shares of Alibaba and Robinhood, and I have like 20-something more in Fidelity. I'm probably going to transfer out of Robinhood eventually. I just don't want to pay the $75. I think it's $75. Anyway, I have almost 50 shares of Alibaba. And guess what? I bought more. I think I bought like $1,500 more of Alibaba because this stock has been getting freaking annihilated. Look at that. It's down 22% over the last 3 months, down 35% over the last year. Last 1 month, 20%. Last week, so the last week it's gone down 12%. And all these clowns are selling out and they're freaking out. Here's why I don't care. I did a discounted cash flow analysis and I arrived at an intrinsic value of Alibaba. For my analysis, it was roughly $330, but we'll have to reevaluate that because new earnings came out. So I don't care what happens to the stock. If it's at 164 right now, and I have a intrinsic value of $320, $330, I'm basically buying a 2x stock. Like this is actually could be a true 2x stock, not what these clowns on YouTube like Jeremy say is a 2x stock. If you do a legitimate discounted cash flow analysis and you arrive at the intrinsic value, that's what you think the company's worth. And if the price goes below that, maybe you can have a margin of safety. Buy the stock and just let it go, okay? I don't care. I'm down 25% on this stock. I've lost $1,000, almost $1,200. Don't care, because I'm buying the stock for the long run. And once these fears of delisting and China crackdown go away, I think these stocks are gonna freaking explode. Now, let's go look through YouTube real quick, and you can just kind of see all these clowns freaking out. Alibaba, it's down! Is it time to sell Alibaba? Here's Sven Carlin, daddy. He thinks there's a 40% chance it'll be a 10x, 50% chance it'll be a 5x, and 10% it'll be a 1x. But yeah. But, you know, you go through and look at YouTube, there's all these people freaking out about these stocks. Whereas, in my opinion, if you're freaking out now because the stock went down briefly, then you're looking at your portfolio too much and you're not doing your due diligence. And you should just be 100% index funds, okay? Anyway, that's it. I bought more Alibaba. I'm not saying you should. If you don't like the risk, you don't have to buy Alibaba. I'm not telling you to buy it. If you don't like the risk, just buy index funds. You'll be just fine, okay? I'm not going to make fun of you for that either, because that's actually a smart thing to do, in my opinion. But that's it. I'm really excited about where the stock's going to go. I don't care if it takes 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. This stock, this company is a freaking powerhouse. And I think it's going to reward me handsomely. I just have to be patient, okay? Now, if you like this video, like the video, subscribe to my channel, tell your friends about me, and y'all have a wonderful, delicious, superstitious, cockalicious day.